Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $32.390. Okay, and what you can see looking at this particular chart, there is pattern is forming. This particular pattern is forming, and chances are high see there is a U pattern is forming. And then suppose if the price move up this level, we can see a level of $33.10, and if that sustain, we can see it can move towards 33.75. And once the price moving off that particular, chance of going towards 34.10 we can see, and from there it will move above a level of $34.5. Suppose if the price started going up that particular level, a further upside we can see towards 34.9, and chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, now but if the price started falling below that level, we can see a level of 31.6, and then a further downfall will be there. Okay, see, this is a weekly chart, so you have to understand your target, your SL, your quantity will be as per the week, because resistance and support are based on the weekly chart. Okay, there is a higher chances. See, what we have seen, that the price is moving in this zone. As soon as the zone move out happens at a level of 33.6, okay, there is will be higher chance of going further upside, and then it will cross a level of $34.66, and we can see it will cross this particular level and it will go towards 34.9, and then a further upside we can see. But if started falling below a level of around 31.8, we can see it will fall further down, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will go towards 31, and then a further low we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, looking at this particular chart, this trend, we can see there is a higher chance. See, the silver price depends on a lot of factors. Dollar index is one of them. When the Fed interest rate comes, we see the volatility in the market of gold and silver. CPI data comes, PPI data come, all these affect the price of silver. So I'll explain you with the help of dollar index how it is moving. See, dollar index is moving towards $100. We can see if the price sustain above this level, because see, there is a green candle is forming for this week also, and previous 2 weeks we have seen it has already formed, so we can see there will be a pattern forming, so we can see there can be a further upside towards higher side. So if it sustain, we can see it can move towards 100.4, and from there a probability of touching a level of 101.3, and from there it will move towards 101.9, and then a further upside towards 102.5 to a level of 103.5, which I have already explained you in my gold and crude, and then a further high. But there is a pattern forming, this smaller pattern showing a downside. If the price started falling below a level of 99.1, we can see there will be a further fall, and if started going below this level, we can see a level of 97.8, and then this particular pattern will support a downside, so chances of going towards 97.8. After that, we can see a level of $96.8, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will go towards 95.2, and then it will touch a level of around $94.6. Okay, and if the price falling below this level, a further fall. Okay, now coming back on the silver price, what we can see, as I've already said, the silver price comes down, always put your SL when you start your trade, and once you profit, try to trail it. So let's see how the price is moving. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, it can touch its next close level of support, that is $32.2, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of 32, and this 32 is already being a weak support, so chances are high the price will fall further low, and it will fall below a level of 31.6 also, that is also being a weak support, so we can see the price will fall further down, and from there it will touch a level of $31.17, and once started falling below this level, probability of going towards 30.8 is there. Started falling below a level of 30.8, chances of touching a level of 30.6 we can see. After that, we can see it will touch a level of $29.9. Understand, as soon as the price started falling below a level of around 31.6, chances are very high it can touch a level of 31.1 to a level of 30.6, and from there a level of around 29.9, and then a further low. But see, market is uncertain. Suppose if started sustaining this level, we can see the next resistance coming at a level of around 32.6. okay, this is the next resistance, or resistance 1, and if started going up this level, So remember this, if it started sustaining this level, it can cross a level of $32.75 because that level is already being tested. So chances are high the price will fall for a move upside and it can touch a level of 33.12. That is also being tested. So probability of touching 33.4 we can see. So remember, after 32.6, chance of touching 33.4 is on a higher side. Touch a level of 33.7 and from there it will touch a level of $34. Suppose if that sustain, we can see the price can move further upside towards 34.2 and then it can cross a level of 34.5 to a level of further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.